The U.S. Army's Future Long-Range Assault Aircraft, FLRAA, program is making significant progress in fiscal year 2025, with a primary focus on post-milestone B development, prototype assembly, and the implementation of a modular open system approach, MOSA, digital backbone. The FLRAA initiative is part of the Future Vertical Lift (FVL) program aimed at delivering a next-generation vertical lift tactical assault aircraft with enhanced range, speed, and survivability. In December 2022, the Bell V-280 Valor was officially selected as the U.S. Army's FLRAA platform, positioning itself as the future replacement and augmentation of the UH-60 Black Hawk utility helicopter. The V-280 is a medium-lift tilt-rotor aircraft engineered for tactical assault and medical evacuation missions, offering combat aviation brigades a long-range, high-speed, and highly survivable air mobility solution in contested battle environments. The program reached a major milestone on August 2, 2024, when the U.S. Army approved the FLRAA Milestone B Acquisition Decision Memorandum, signaling the transition to the engineering and manufacturing development phase. This approval authorized the first option of the FLRAA Weapon System Development contract, granted to Bell Textron in December 2022, for the detailed design and construction of 6 developmental prototypes. The first flight of these prototypes is scheduled for 2026, with low-rate initial production, LRIP, commencing in 2028, leading up to initial fielding by 2030. FLRAA's role in multi-domain operations and future combat. The FLRAA is designed to support a broad spectrum of operations, including air assault and urban operations, maritime interdiction and tactical resupply, medical evacuation and humanitarian assistance, combat search and rescue, CSAR, non-combatant evacuation and direct action missions. The high-speed, long-range capabilities of the V-280 will ensure that the U.S. Army, Special Operations Command, USACOM, and Joint Forces can project combat power over vast operational distances, maintain air superiority, and operate effectively in high-threat, near-peer conflict zones. A critical focus in fiscal year 2025 is the development of a robust digital backbone, designed to comply with the Modular Open Systems Approach, MOSA. This DoD-wide initiative ensures interoperability, scalability, and simplified upgrades for military platforms, allowing the FLRAA to integrate new technologies, mission-specific enhancements, and software updates with minimal redesign costs. The U.S. Army is preparing for a critical design review in early FY 2025, assessing the aircraft's ability to meet performance, cost, schedule, and risk parameters before advancing to prototype construction. A major step toward FLRAA's production occurred on December 17, 2024, when Bell Textron selected a site in Denton County, Fort Worth, Texas, for a new 447,000 square foot, 41,500 square meters, factory dedicated to manufacturing FLRAA components. The facility is set to undergo modifications and equipment installation, aiming for readiness to support low-rate initial production, LRIP, by 2028. This state-of-the-art production site will be instrumental in meeting the U.S. Army's aggressive timeline for delivering the next-generation assault aircraft, reinforcing America's defense industrial base and technological superiority. The Bell V-280 Valor represents a significant leap in aerodynamic efficiency, speed, and operational range compared to conventional helicopters. Key performance features: tilt-rotor configuration combines the vertical takeoff and landing (VTOL) ability of a helicopter with the high-speed cruise efficiency of a fixed-wing aircraft. Increased speed and range, a cruise speed of 520 km per hour, far surpassing the UH-60 Black Hawk's 280 km per hour top speed. Extended combat radius, over 925 km, enabling long-range mission flexibility. Fixed engine nacelles, unlike the V-22 Osprey, only the rotors and driveshafts tilt, reducing weight, increasing stability, and simplifying maintenance. Advanced composite materials enhances structural integrity while reducing weight for improved performance and survivability. Fly-by-wire flight controls enhances maneuverability, pilot precision, and overall handling. Spacious troop transport, crew of 4, plus up to 14 troops, with wide side doors for rapid deployment. Retractable landing gear improves aerodynamics during high-speed flight. Integrated mission systems and sensors increases situational awareness and survivability in contested airspace. Ballistic-tolerant flight controls ensures continued operation even after sustaining battle damage. By integrating speed, extended range, and digital capabilities, the V-280 Valor provides a lethal, adaptable, and survivable platform for modern combat environments. The FLRAA program represents a strategic investment in U.S. Army aviation's future, ensuring that American forces maintain a decisive battlefield edge against emerging threats. Key upcoming milestones include Heavy Checkmark Critical Design Review, FI 2025, finalizing the aircraft's design architecture. Heavy Checkmark First Prototype Flight, 2026, testing operational effectiveness and mission adaptability. Heavy Checkmark Low Rate Initial Production, 2028, scaling up manufacturing and deployment. Heavy Checkmark Initial Fielding, 2030, integrating FLRAA into combat aviation brigades. With its game-changing speed, maneuverability, and combat effectiveness, the Bell V-280 Valor is poised to revolutionize air assault missions, ensuring U.S. military dominance in future conflicts. The FLRAA initiative represents a historic leap in battlefield mobility, allowing the U.S. Army to conduct high-speed, long-range assault missions with unmatched agility and survivability. By embracing next-generation tiltrotor technology, digital engineering, and modular open system advancements, the V-280 Valor is shaping the future of military air operations. As the program progresses through prototype testing, production, and deployment, the FLRAA will redefine multi-domain warfare, ensuring that American forces remain agile, responsive, and dominant in an era of evolving global threats. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss any updates. See you in the next video. Take care and stay awesome.